Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. I am going to be doing a makeup video today, and I am actually going to recreate one of my pictures that I've done previously. I posted a Instagram picture on Instagram of a makeup look, and also on my Facebook group, which is Rainbow Soul the group. If you've not joined already, hello, welcome, go over, click hello. And also on my normal Facebook, and I got so much love from it. Normally, I will get like quite a lot of likes and the odd one or two comments saying, "Oh, love this, heart, great picture," all that jazz, emojis of the flames, all that. Yeah, you get me. So when I posted this video, I was gobsmacked on how much love I actually got. Not too sure if it was down to the eye makeup itself, but I had my hair different. I'm going to insert the picture now. So that was the picture, and obviously my hair is all rock and roll. Had a little mini photo shoot at the time. I originally done it to play with the Rude Cosmetics Too Much Drama palette. But yes, I got so much love for this picture. I even got multiple people asking if they could have a video of it. So this is me recreating the Instagram picture I posted recently. So yes, as I said, this is the palette I originally used. The three colours, I only used three main colours, which was these ones here: the black, the burgundy, and the pink. The black one is called Pain in the A. Then the burgundy is Bad Habits. Then Stay Lit is the pink one. So they are the three main colours. So I went ahead and done my base because people were saying they wanted a video, but I wasn't too sure if it was just the eye look or the whole face. But anyway, I'll talk you through what I used. I used the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation and Concealer. Then I went in with a bit of the Morphe Concealer underneath the eyes to make it slightly whiter. Then with the eyebrows, I used a cheap pencil from Asda. This is their own brand. Not too sure what the name is now, but it's just the standard pencil with the spoolie on the end because it's all worn away. It's great. It was about £2-3. So I used that to colour in. Then I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil just to start off the brows. And then to fix them into place, I use a mascara, but it's just a clear mascara for your eyelashes, but I don't use it for my eyelashes anymore because I use it on my brows and now it's going to be discoloured. So this is my designated brow mascara. So that was the base. Now I am just going to get stuck into the Rude Cosmetics palette. Oh my god, I hope I can remember how to do it because like I literally didn't do anything special. As far as I remember, it was quite fast to do. So, I think I got a flat packing one to start with. Well, I think I can definitely see which brushes I use because I just need to look for the black ones. So the first one I used was this Revolution one. I got this in a set. So it's just a thin packing brush. So I'm not going to get quite a lot. I'm just going to build it up because I don't want fallout to happen because black is seriously hard to get rid of. I know I could have done my foundation after, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm going to build it up with the black, but I'm just going to do it on the lower crease. Is that what you call it? You know what, I am seriously worried about messing this look up. So I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to apply translucent powder underneath the eye. So I didn't do this at the time, but because I'm on video, I don't want it to mess up. So I've applied translucent powder underneath the eye just to catch any fallout, and it's easier to brush away any of the fallout. It won't actually settle in the skin. So I'm going to go back in with the black. So now I've got the black on, I'm going to brush it out with a fluffy brush. So I'm just going to work the black up, and wow, my eyes look weird like that. So yeah, I'm just going to work the black upwards. So now I've blended it. Oh, is that even? That's not even, is it? So I think that's even. So yes, I got another fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go in with Bad Habit, which is the burgundy colour, and then just use that to blend it out on the top and to add the burgundy. So now I've added the burgundy, I'm taking my first brush with the leftover colour from that. I'm just going to knock off the excess red, knock off the excess black. And then with the remaining colour, I'm just going to blend underneath the eye. So now I've blended underneath the eye, I'm just going to take a brush to remove the translucent powder. And then take a clean fluffy brush, and then I'm going to go in with Stay In? Oh, Stay Lit, which is the pink colour. And then I'm going to use that to blend out the burgundy. And just to blend it up, I like to push the brush into my lid and then flick up. Just so it's got some pressure to actually move the shadow up. The brush I use to smoke out the burgundy with the black, I'm going to take to add some burgundy underneath the eye. Then I want to take a clean brush with a tiny bit of burgundy just to blend up, just to make it look a bit more like a cat's eye, or a wing, what people like to call it. And then we get this brush. It's got black on it, so I know I used it with this look, but I can't remember what I used it for. I think it was to blend the sides out a bit more, so I'm just gonna to have a little play, maybe smooth out anything. So then I took the Jeffree Star highlighter in Ice Cold, and I think I took this brush. So I'm going to coat this brush in the highlighter and then place it on the lid. Just to add a bit of glow. Then I'm going to take a bit of the same highlighter and pop it in on the inner corners. Then I'm taking the same highlighter and pop it underneath the brow bone. So the next thing I did was apply lashes, and I haven't actually got the same lashes, and I've got no lashes at the moment. So I'm just going to have to go in with a volumizing mascara, which I'm going to be using the Smoky Lash from Primark. So lashes are done. Well, mascara's done. I'm going to go in with bronzer next. My Primark blush, which I actually use as a bronzer. So the second bronzer I'm going to take is Full Panda by Claudia. I got this from Boots, also done a video on it, and it's a shimmer one. And I'd just like to add a little bit of shimmer on top of the existing bronzer. So that's done. Now, my favourite time, which is highlighter. Back with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Ice Cold highlighting brush. And now, shall I do the hair last or lips? I'm going to do the lips now. The lips, I use the Morphe Liquid Lip in Jealousy, which is a lovely nude colour. So lips are done, and now just to let down my bouffant, then to do the picture, I just messed it up a bit because my hair is wild. Then I just posed. So what do you think? Did I recreate it well? I don't know. Let's sort out my hair. So that is me recreating my Instagram picture. Did I do it justice? Does it look the same? I don't know. You let me know. Go and have a look at my Instagram, have a look at the original photo, and then come back to have a look at this and let me know down below. So thank you for the love on the Instagram picture that I posted. I'm truly made up that you will love it, and I love it myself. Some of my best makeup looks happen when I'm at home watching Emmerdale, and I was like, let's play with a bit of makeup. So I'm going to leave it there. Don't think I've got the hair the same, but it's the same hair, I promise. So yes, thank you for watching. I will leave it there, and I'll see you all in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from, every time. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.